Have you ever tried to figure out what you learned from primary school? Me here, I'm trying to figure out art and craft in primary, and I just get a point whereby I can make this art and craft. So, guys, stay tuned. Let's go. There, I'm having a tissue and a flower. I'll have a plate, and there is a bar of water, warm water. So let's go and start. Remember, guys, in primary school, we were taught art and craft. I know if you guys, you were taught this, but you are using even papers from books, and the teacher even taught us you can use tissue so long as it makes something that is needed. So there I'm having tissue, I'm putting there on the bowl of water, warm water. I'll have to mix it so that it comes soft. Then I'll have to add my flour. This is chapati flour, guys. You can just take a little. I remember when the teacher was trying to tell us, he was trying to tell us if you have flour at home, you come with it and a small salt. So there is a salt I'll have to mix also to add. Then mix. Shout out to my teacher Lumbas and Albert for teaching me this. There I will have my plate. Then I'll have to put this mixture backwards. I'll make sure I make all of it round on this plate, guys. This is what I was taught in primary. After that, I'll put it somewhere for 3 days, guys. Remember, it will be there for 3 days in a cool place, not on sun direct. There I've made. So after that, this is what I got. Let's see after 3 days. Wow, this is after 3 days. Let's see. Wow, this is a plate. Wow, this is so amazing art and craft. My shout out to Albert and Lumbasi. Thank you guys for watching this amazing video. Thank you so much. Remember to leave a nice comment and like the video. You can share it to your good friends, guys. Mwah. Bye.